square root of 49 minus square root of 48 is equal to what? We want to evaluate this nice math problem. Square root of 49 minus square root of 48. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Then this is equal to square root of 49 is 7 minus square root of 48 is 16 multiplied by 3. This is equal to square root of 7 minus square root of 16 is 4, then root 3. So this is equal to square root of 7 can be written as 4 plus 3 minus, this is 2 multiplied by 2 root 3. Now take note of this, that if you have a square plus b square minus 2ab, this is equal to a minus b square. Then we can compare this with this. So from here, a square is equal to 4, b square is equal to what? 3. Then ab is equal to 2 root 3. Therefore, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 3. Since the whole of this is equal to this, and this is equivalent to this, therefore we have square root of a minus b square. But we already know that a is what? 2. Square root of 2 minus b is root 3 square. Then this one will cancel this. This is equal to 2 minus root 3, and this is the final answer.